AON is the largest insurance services company in the world. We have about 62,000 employees with a presence in over 162 countries. AON-E-Solutions is the technology arm of AON Corporation, headquartered in Atlanta, Georgia. So AON-E-Solutions faces many of the same business and IT challenges that many companies out there face. One, it's staying atop of current technologies coming down the road, maintaining cost. We also face compliance issues, maintaining data encryption, meeting local and federal compliance regulations. So the relationship between AON-E-Solutions and S1 is very strong. S1 is one of our strongest and most strategic vendors.
S1 focuses on storage, server virtualization. We really look at our customers' business. We want to add value. We come in and consult not only on the technology side, but the business side. And IBM Solutions provided the best match for us, so we've worked tightly integrated with them since our founding almost 20 years ago.
We look to them for not only technology solutions, but for education on new technologies coming down the road. We look to them to come in and actually validate how we have our technologies implemented and make sure we're leveraging industry best practices.
So AON-E-Solutions was going through a big growth phase for their Risk Cloud and their IVAS cloud solutions they provide to their end users. They had kind of a disparate storage environment, and what we wanted to do is come in and give them more flexibility and reliability.
They're not just trying to sell us technology solutions, but they're trying to understand the business results that we're trying to get to. They're the ones who actually brought the V7000 solution to the table for us to consider.
So the V7000 allowed us to kind of create a virtual layer and give them more of a robust solution for their end users.
We chose the IBM V7000 storage solution, one, because it provided us with the most flexibility. Two, it was the easiest to implement. We have tight SLAs here at AON-E-Solutions, and we're able to meet all of those contractual SLAs by running the applications on top of the V7000.
So the V7000's a unique product because it actually virtualizes and puts a layer between the servers and storage. And in doing so, you can actually move storage blocks around much easier. By doing this, you really reduce the management time your IT staff spends on creating LUNs, giving storage. It's all automated.
We didn't want to have to go out and hire another storage engineer at $150,000 to $200,000 a year. And actually it was implemented by a system administrator.
It makes it much easier and much more efficient to provide storage to their end users. So overall, it can really reduce cost by anywhere from 35 to 50%. We've got some technicians that have had years of experience on it, so we're able to turn up the solution and really have it running in one day. And that included the internal storage and also the virtualized storage behind it.
I think the biggest surprise was the ease of installation. And it didn't require a storage engineer to do the installation.
Overall at AON, we used IBM backbone technology of x86 servers, creating their kind of server cloud. We used the V7000 for the storage. We used Brocade SAN switches with IBM TKLM, the Tivoli Key Lifecycle Manager, and that encrypted the whole solution. And that provided a robust and very modular solution that lets them grow without much risk, really.
So I'm very excited about the ability to work with the people at S1. It's nice and it's fun to actually be able to call them up and talk to people who know what they're talking about, who can understand not only the technical aspects of a solution, but also dig into the business results that we're trying to get to.